There we go. Your first and last name, speak it and spell it for me.
Colton Havard, Colton Havard. I'm the sheriff of Newton County.
You don't have to lean in. I've got it.
Okay.
You don't have to. You're good. So tell us a little bit about what we spoke to us about today and just how hard these investigators have worked together with this joint agency investigation.
So like I said, back on November 19th, 2022, the Newton County Sheriff's Office received a report of a missing person, Joshua Larkin. Throughout the investigation, investigators were quickly able to determine that foul play was suspected. January 1st, investigators got on this case, worked really, really hard, put countless man hours into this thing, and like I said, we are glad to announce today that we have arrested 4 individuals suspected in Larkin's disappearance.
And so then whenever it comes to reasons why you have probable cause, are you able to release any of that as to why these 4 men are associated with it?
All I can say is just through the investigation and interviews, we were able to present the evidence to a judge and get arrest warrants.
And so then, after working such a case like this for so long with countless man hours, like you said, how does it feel to be helping the family get one step closer to closure?
It's very rewarding, but I would like to remind everybody, just because, we have made it this far, we've still got to get a conviction in a court of law, and that's something we've got we've got many days of hard work ahead of us to get the conviction in court.
And then one of the men in general that you mentioned earlier, I believe, was Justin Taylor James. You said that he had made a confession. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And then what did he confess to?
I can't go into that at this time.
But it was enough to at least put that murder word on there.
Yes, ma'am.
So, hard work has been done, but there's still more hard work to be done. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, there is. And I thank everybody that's come forward. I'd like to remind everybody that we believe that there's still individuals out there that know something, and we're not going to stop. So if you know something about this crime, I urge you to come forward, because if you don't, we'll be paying you a visit pretty soon.
And then 2 of these men were arrested today and taken into custody, and then 2 were already incarcerated here. But what all 4 of them, how did they know Larkin? You said there wasn't a connection there, but how are they connected to him?
So they're just all acquaintances, or were acquaintances.
So they just knew of each other?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else you can think of that you want to mention that I haven't?
No, I think that's it.
Anything else you want to say with the collaboration of Jasper County and Newton County?
Like I said, both agencies have worked very hard on this case, with the district attorneys and, consulting with them. And it's been one team effort. And, it's an honor and a privilege to work beside such great men and women.
Thank you.
Thank you.